You know, I was a little bit worried about this one, but she's definitely eating it up, baby, okay? Eating it up. All right, y'all, you already know what time it is. We are back today with another hair video. Shout out to Rpghair for sponsoring today's video. And as you guys can see, it's already installed. This is a same day install video, guys. And you already can see I'm about to take this unit down. Very realistic, very pretty. Rpghair done it again, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now let's hop into today's install. This is another styled braided unit that they have. Now, if you guys see this unit up close, there are some braids in the back of this unit. It's kind of like sporadic, like braids. Now, this definitely gives like a boho faux lock look, guys. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I was a little worried in the beginning because I felt like it looked like a little bit buff at the top. But once you kind of go ahead and style this unit up, it is absolutely stunning. Now, they did go ahead and put baby hairs on this unit, guys. So what I did was just cut them lightly. I also did a couple of like little ringlet styles and stuff like that, just try to bring character to it. Most of the time I don't like when the baby hairs are too like plastered like that. So what I did was just try to do a couple of swigs to it just to give it more of a fun look to it, to give it more of that kind of like rustic type of boho-ish type of vibe. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is actually really, really cute. Like, I love the fact that you can wear this in multiple styles. So I showed you guys this one middle part, this flip over method right here. And you can also do like a little half up, half down type of style, which I absolutely love. Now, I like the fact that this is more of a messier type of look. Not, you know what I mean, more of like a fun, kind of laid back, effortless look. And I love the fact that it's, you know, all over the place and cute at the same time. I love the fact that they add like these little curly hairs to it. It just gives the hair a lot of character. And as you guys can see, I can go ahead and easily flip this over. I can do a middle part with this unit, but obviously you guys see it comes in a side part. All you gotta do is kind of manipulate the unit to get yourself a nice little middle part look. And again, very fun, characteristic, very pretty. And I didn't do too much. All I did was go ahead and spray this unit down with a wig tint that I had that also has, I don't even know where it's at right now, that also has color to it. So I was able to blend my edges and let this melt into my skin to match me to the T. If you want to, you can go ahead and spray the inner part of this cap. It is a full lace wig, as you guys saw. I did go ahead and adjust this unit. It's very, very secure on my head, guys. If you don't want to spray the ear tab section down right here, you can go ahead and use a little bit of tape to do it. I decided to spray it down because I wanted to give you guys like a full look of this unit kind of styled up. And again, absolutely gorgeous. Very, very pretty. I feel like I love it in the side part. The side part just eats it up. Again, it's glueless. It comes with an elastic band in the back and also comes with invisible straps. The visible straps just make this unit very, very like tough, okay? So this unit, guys, comes with an adjustable strap in the back, and it also comes with the invisible straps. So this unit is very, very secure. Like, even with me spraying it down, I didn't necessarily need to spray it down. The tape would have been just fine on the ear tab section, but the unit fits very, very nice. It is super, super secure, and again, very realistic and very pretty. Like, again, I would go ahead and just play around with the baby hairs, give the baby hairs like character looks to it. You ain't gotta be too serious about it. You just kind of like fluff them out and do something natural and simple, y'all. Absolutely stunning. Some of the locks are kind of like, you know, fluffy, but what I like to do is take like a flat iron and just kind of press it down on the hair, just to kind of smooth things out. Or what I like to do is tuck it. Again, this does have some braids in the back, which kind of like a little bit threw me off because I'm like, why is there braids in the back? But I kind of feel like I said, it gives it that boho look. It gives it that fun, messy, sexy, cute boho look. Y'all see me eating it up, okay? Y'all see me eating up, period. So let me know your thoughts about this unit. Shout out to Rpghair for sponsoring today's video, guys. Absolutely love this unit. I feel like they did exactly what they need to do with this unit. I showed you guys 3 different styles, and I absolutely love it. Let me know what your favorite look is down below, guys. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit right here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.